So I have 8 families that I have to take care of on top of my own family to make sure that things are constantly going, that we are constantly evolving, that we're trying new things, trying different things, trying podcasts that people just don't get and don't understand. But why?
And imagine the lives that would
The effort and the money put into this.
imagine the lives that would be different if we had not taken that risk in 2004.
It's very true.
Changed a lot of lives.
That's sweet. Thank you
True.
so much. That warms the cockles of my heart.
Of your heart.
Truthfully. No, it's the truth.
It is the truth. It's the risk, and the
Risk and reward.
The risk never goes away. You have to keep risking to grow.
Listen, we're an ever-evolving industry.
That's for sure.
The automotive repair industry is always ever evolving, and there's constant changes every year, every week, it seems, with new technologies and having to have the right equipment, having to have the right software, programming, training. It's constantly evolving.